Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Today I am building two new raised metal garden beds. These beds are from Vegega, and I am going to be putting one here, and then the other one is going to go back that way along with this one that's going to get moved. So I am so excited. I've got so much more space to grow. I am so grateful. So grateful. So this space we've already been prepping. We've pulled out the pavers. The pavers are over here. That we'll use those some other place in the garden, but this is already pre-prepped. So I'm gonna build the new bed, which is a U bed, on the patio, and then once that's done, I'm gonna move this bed, trying to save like the soil and the plants that are already there, and hopefully put the new bed over top of it. But anyways, let's go ahead and get this box out and get started. So this bed is made of eco-friendly material, lasts up to 20 years, easy to assemble, high wear resistance, great for kids and seniors, strong heat dissipation. So yeah, it's gonna be a good bed. This bed is 17 inches tall, 8.5 feet wide, and 5.5 feet long. So let's go ahead and get this box open. Step number one was putting these two end caps in, these two corner panels, then to build 3 of these side panels. Step 2 is to build side panels that have 4 pieces, and that's the back row. And then after that, we've got the corner back row, and then we've got the inside corners. Seems like a pretty easy build. So my battery is dying. I've been out here probably about 40 minutes, maybe less than 40. But my battery's dying, so I'm gonna put it on the charger. I'm gonna keep working, but we will do the full like connecting everything together once I get the camera back outside. Okay, so every time I turn on the camera, it gets really loud, like louder than it usually is. They weren't crowing until I turned on the video, and traffic was quiet. But anyways, so I ended up finishing this bed. It's been about 5 days. Stuff just happened. People got sick. It was raining, and my camera had died that day that I was working on it. So I ended up finishing it off camera, and now I have started to fill it. So right now I am using debris from the yard, anything that has not gone to seed or doesn't have seeds, because I don't want any seeds to overwinter in here and wake up in the spring and start growing and making, you know, a huge mess for me to clean, because I only want vegetables in here and I don't want any random seeds. So anything without seeds, twigs, branches, what else, any organic material that has not, you know, shown any pest issues, any disease issues, I will layer down in this bed and use as my base. So that's what I'm doing right now, and let's go ahead and finish doing this, and then we can fill it with soil, and then we can wrap this up. Oh, it's finally done. Woo! It's beautiful. So in the springtime, I'll come through with a load, well, not a load, but bags of compost, either bags or from my own compost bin, and top this bed off before planting. So excited, so much more space, so happy right now, so happy that it's done, because this took forever. This is like a week, only because of the issues, the raining and then getting sick, and yeah. So over here I had some plants planted. I'm gonna clear all of this out. What's left are phlox, some hostas, and my two tidbit firelight hydrangeas, and I think there's something else in front. I'm gonna move that stuff and then probably have some pavers right here, or continue the gravel that's in that raised bed area all through here and just make this a unified space. I want to be able to walk this way and access this bed from over here, to be able to walk this way and go that way, and to be able to have more access to the chicken coop and the nest boxes. So between now and spring, I'll be changing all that around. I hope to get a load of gravel early spring so we can get this area taken care of. But in the meantime, I think I will add some cardboard down here just to help with the muddiness that this will be. Yeah, I think I'll do that, and then I'll probably maybe I can lay some of these stones back down, or instead of the cardboard, just lay these stones back down for now, and then in spring move the stones and then add the gravel. I think that would be probably better than adding cardboard, and then that will break down over winter, and then with the rain and stuff it could get pretty nasty there. So yeah, I'm so excited. Finally done. Thank you guys so much for watching this Vegega raised garden bed build and fill right here. I do have one more Vegega bed, but I don't have a place to put it right now, so I'll build that one in the spring, and then I'll do a kind of like a follow-up. So when I'm planting this and when I'm, spring stuff, I'll build it then when I have a appropriate space for it. But right now I'm just so happy that this is done before winter, and then that's one less thing I have to do in the spring, so I'm really excited about that. But you guys, let me know if you have any questions in the comments section. I will link the Vegega beds in the comments, and I believe, or not the comments, but in the description, and I do believe that there is a discount code for anyone who wants to check out Vegega garden beds and get your own. So yeah, look at that. Woo! All right guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.